Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be discussing Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for Monday. So we can see what is the plan for Monday to trade. So as we discussed yesterday, and I was screaming from last 1 week also. So we have a fair value gap here. So you can go and check my past videos. So you will see this zone. So we have a fair value gap here. In case if market comes here, we will be seeing a reaction from here. All the pending orders of big players will get executed here, and then we will see market moving upwards. So today I have conducted a live session also. So from 9:30 to 11, almost I was in live with the people who have joined my WhatsApp community. So again, it's a free community, so there is no charges for that. If anybody interested, you can join that WhatsApp community. So I have shared. I will be sharing that link along with this video down in the description. You can go click that link and join WhatsApp community. Okay, so I will be not charging anyone, and I will be also not sharing any referral links for you to uh, create your account on this demat, on that demat, using my link. All these things I'm not going to tell you, so don't worry about that. So you can join that freely. So I'm not like other YouTubers who only rely on YouTube income. So I'm here to make sure that I'm helping people who are in need. So that is the reason I started this YouTube channel, so that I can help the people who are in need and they can learn from these videos. So now if you see, this is a fair value gap. From here exactly market have reversed. Okay, in case if you have any doubt of this zone, you can go back and check my last 4 or 5 days videos. You will see this zone marked, and in one of the video I've clearly told this is fair value gap, FVP. Okay, so now from here market have done the movement. So in today's live session we marked this level, and we also discussed the sellers and buyers psychology. I will try to upload today's live market session video on YouTube, so you can go back and check that video. So in live market we have marked this zone. I am also told about sellers and buyers psychology, and where our demand zone is getting formed, where how supply zones will get formed, how to trade support, resistance. All these things we have discussed in the live market session, and how to identify setups, how to confluence your setups. At high level we have discussed all these things, and we have marked this zone, and we have also discussed market can come here. So this we have discussed in the live market. But before live market session, I have posted in my WhatsApp community till where market can reach, till where market can give a reversal today. Exactly, market have given reversal today. In live market we have also discussed a green candle will come into this zone, and then you will see a red candle coming follow through. Okay, this is what how clearly we have discussed in our live market session. You can go back and check. So now what is our game plan for tomorrow? Our game plan is simple. In case if Nifty close below 25 366, if you see a 15 minutes candle closing below 25 366, okay, let's assume if a candle is closing like this, again this closing is below these two lows. This is 16th February low, and this is yesterday's and today's. Okay, so in case if candle is closing below this zone, below 25 366, if you see a 15-minute red candle closing, wait for the retest. On the retest, again if you see a red candle closing, we can go downside. We can keep our stop loss above this zone, and we can enter based on the candle closing, the low of that candle, and we can aim for target of 25k from here. 25,000 will activate. 25,000 target will get activate only below if market closes 25 366. Okay, if market closes below this, our target will get activate. Again, you will be not waiting for 25k as your target, so you will be trailing 100 points by 100 points. So you have to keep your first target as 25 266. Okay, and second target as 25 166, and third target as 25066. So this is how you should be trailing. Again, 25,000 is a round number. When market touch 25 level, you will see an immediate bounce in the market if you are not booking your profits there. So in this bounce, whatever premium which you are seeing, that will get decayed very fastly. So you have to trail your stop loss, and accordingly you have to book your profits based on your risk reward. So again, I am not giving any buy sell recommendations here. So I am not a SEBI registered analysis. This is my view analysis, what I am seeing on the chart. Take this video as an educational purpose and learn from this video. In case if you wanted to make any buy sell things, you can reach out to your financial advisor or any SEBI registered analyst, and accordingly you can make your decisions. Okay. So now this is my view on the downside, only below 25,366. Okay. And when I will go long, when a candle close above 25,700, a 15 minutes candle closing coming above 25,700, then I will aim for 25,800 as my first target. 25,800 to 840 zone as my first target. Okay. Above this zone, there are little less chances to go market. It might be in this range for some time, or else if it break down this 25,366, then we are going to see a good move downside, good 300 points more downside. Until and unless it is not breaking this zone or 25,700 zone, we will be seeing market staying in this zone. If it breaks about 25,700, I am seeing this as my target. Okay, again this is my ultimate target, because here again I am telling you, from 840 to 880, that is a fair value gap area. 800, 840 to 880. Okay, 840 to 880 is a fair value gap area. In case if market gives a breakout above 700, when market test the zone, you will see a dip from here. Again at this zone, it might go sideways, take support. After that, if it breaks above 880, then you will be seeing a good movement till 26k. Okay, but market cannot go and break straight away this zone, because here big players pending orders are there. When market reaches this zone, you will be seeing some selling pressure from this zone, like how you have seen buying pressure from this is FVP zone, fair value gap zone. So from here also you will be seeing that selling pressure towards downside. So be careful now. Big players have this zone from 25,360 to 25,880 is the zone. Market can stay here for 2-3 days. Market can only give a big move if it breaks 25,366, or if it breaks 25,888. If it breaks 25,888 or 25,366, then only you are going to see good move upside or downside, else market can stay in this zone. Right now, this is the intraday support we have in the market. Okay, this is intraday support as of today. Below this, if market comes here, we have a support. Okay, you cannot trade here. Here, if it creates a green candle here on 15 minutes time frame, by the time I release this video on YouTube, so if you see a green candle here, we can try going upside as our target as 680 to 700, and then our target will be 800. So I don't think market will give a reversal today itself. So we might see closing here somewhere here between 480 to 540 zone. We might see closing today between 540, 480 to 540 zone. Okay, if we have to close, I have already said yesterday, when you see a big fall, the next day market will go sideways and it will create a doji candle. Today in our WhatsApp community also, we have discussed in the morning that we can short at the money CEPE when market opens, so that we can see the decay in the premiums, as market will go up again come down, go up again come down. This is what we can see in today's market. Okay, because this is the range for today we have in market. So market might do like this in this range, and it might close somewhere between this range. I'm expecting between 480 to 540. So now we know how can we trade on Monday. So now let's see on in Bank Nifty, how can we trade in Bank Nifty. As I said, in Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty is little strong compared to Nifty. But in Bank Nifty also, as we discussed, so I've already told in yesterday's video also, when market is way above, when market was trading at this zone only, around this zone, I told wait for a dip to this level. Wait for a dip to 60,600 to 740 level. Here, in case if it creates a green candle, we can trade upside as first target as 61,000, I mean 60,900 to 61,000, where 61,000 can act as a resistance. But market have broken that 61,000 level directly here with green candle. Again, it have taken support on that level and it went upside till 61,333 level. Okay, so now here a green candle got created today. By seeing this yesterday's fall, if people don't know these zones from where market can react, they would have went short, and as soon as market opens, yesterday PE premiums whatever they have spiked, all PE premiums got melted today. Everybody who went short yesterday, they are in loss already, they are in huge loss. But people who are there as part of my WhatsApp community, nobody went short based on yesterday's closing. Few people have called me and asked me whether can we go short for today. I said no clearly, because I also clearly said that PE premiums are going to melt as soon as market opens tomorrow morning. So same thing happened. So today, if you would have entered here, you would have captured this moment in Bank Nifty. If you have went through my video which I've posted yesterday, you would have at least, you would have not gone short. Okay, whether you have taken trade upside or not, at least you would have avoided going short. Okay, so please watch my videos. Whatever levels which I'm posting, they are all institutional levels. Okay, when I post, when I say anything here, I do my analysis, I cross check my analysis 10 times, then only I come and post any video here. Okay. Again, I'm not giving any buy sell recommendations. Please consult your financial advisors. Okay. So now what is the game plan for Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty, if it is taking support here and creating a green candle, okay, and closing above 61,088, closing above 61,088, we can try long with this low as our stop loss with 60,980 as our SL. Okay, and our first target will be today's high, which is 61,333. This will be our first target. Okay, again we will be trailing 100 points by 100 points. Okay, so that we will be on the safer side. Once market gives a push 100 points above from 61,088 to 61,188, you can bring your stop loss from 60,980 to cost to 61,888. Even though if market reverses from here, you will be in no loss no gain. Okay, this is one plan for the upside. So in case if market breaks this 61,333 level, okay, we can see this high again, 61,666 level we can see. If market breaks 61,333 level, we can see this level as if now. Okay, when we go short, if market breaks this 61K level and closes a red candle below, we can aim for 60,777, short only below 60,980. If a red candle closing below 60,980, 60,777 will be our first target. Okay, after then you can book your good 70 to 80% of profits here, and you can hold the remaining for this low to break. Okay, in case if this low is not breaking, this low is 60,600 level. If 60,600 level is not breaking, market can again take a U-turn from here. If 60,600 level is broken, okay, we will see a good move downside. So we will see 60,000. If 60,600 level is going to break, we will be seeing a move towards 60,000. Again, we will not wait for the 600 points. So we are going to trail 150, 200 points, 150 to 200 points. Okay, so that is the game plan in Bank Nifty. Always keep simple, don't make complex analysis so that your analysis will go into paralysis. So always do a simple analysis, just trade based on your levels. Please like and subscribe to this channel. So hope these levels are helping you. If these levels are helping you, please comment down in this video so that I will understand who is watching this video and how these levels are helping you. Thank you everyone for watching this video.